Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to make me a tuna salad. And this is probably going to be for my lunch and my breakfast. To be honest with you guys, I haven't eaten anything today so far. And it is currently 1:17 in the afternoon. So just trying to get things together. My eating window, I'm doing the intermittent fasting the 10-14. So I'm eating kind of late today. So this is going to be my breakfast. It might be my breakfast and lunch, or probably breakfast and dinner. It just depends. I might just have a smoothie later today or a protein tea later today. That's probably what I'm going to have. And I have these bread and butter chips pickles that I'm going to use. I'm going to take a couple of these. Probably about, I don't know, maybe 4. I'll probably take 4. Yeah, that's about enough. Kind of want it chunky because I'm going to have it in a pita. And I don't want the pickles to like overpower the tuna salad, because the pickles are, they're kind of sweet and salty a little bit. The bread and butter flavor is. And I can only eat 4 yolks a week. And so I had 4 eggs yesterday and the day before that. So I'm just going to use the egg white. I'll take this little piece out because they got some stuff on it. Okay. Salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bop. That's it. Let's see what we're working with. This is good. Half a pita and save the other half for later. All right. I got enough for later, for lunch or dinner. And I have some ginger and lemon that I'm going to use to make my water now. So, let me rinse this off right quick. Okay, so now I have my breakfast, which is this tuna salad, and I have my water with lemon and ginger. And I'm going to take a bite of my breakfast, then I'm going to take my blood pressure medication.
Information needed. Your MVP card has been accepted. $3.99.
Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick grocery haul. First things first, have some Gain detergent, cocktail tomatoes. I have some vanilla chai black tea. This is really, really good. I add protein powder to it. Have this hibiscus ginger beer. Really, really like this. This is really, really good. Got some rice. Got jasmine rice, brown rice, and basmati rice. I guess how you pronounce it. Got some tea. Got the stress relief tea. Got some lemons, potatoes, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, 2 bags of pistachios, coconut milk. Got some oranges, sourdough bread, aloe vera leaf plant here. Got some avocados, spinach, vegan cheese, bananas. Got a red onion. Got some limes, some frozen vegetables. The antioxidant blend, cauliflower rice. Got some broccoli slaw. Got some bell peppers. Got some mackerel. Got some sardines. I really like these sardines, and they are boneless. And they're really, really good. I like them. And I also got this kind in tomato sauce. Got Princess some dog food. Frozen broccoli. Apples. Trident gum. Then got the pink Trident gum. Also got some extra virgin olive oil. Got some hot sauce. Got some feta cheese, green beans. Got some mushrooms. Some yogurt bars. Got a 6 pack of Zevia. The ginger root beer is really good. Got some Atlantic salmon. I'm going to try this. I got this from Food Line. I like the salmon that I get from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to try this one and see how this one goes. Got ground turkey and ground chicken. Just got this package in the mail here from Amazon. I ordered it last night and it came today, so that's a good thing. Let's see what we got. Okay, first things first, we got this Craft Geek mag stand. This is a tripod. Gonna give it a try. Got this EOS tripod stand as well. So I got 2. We're gonna try these 2 tripod stands. We needed some new ones. So we're gonna try them out and see how they go, and we'll let you guys know. We'll do a review on these and let you guys know how these tripods work.